Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good to see you everyone. In this session, I will present a comparison of three common types of vernier calipers: vernier caliper, dial caliper, and digital caliper. These tools are essential in precision measurement, and understanding their differences can help us choose the right one for specific tasks. Before we compare them, let's briefly discuss what calipers are. Calipers are measuring instruments used to determine the distance between two opposite sides of an object. They are widely used in mechanical engineering, metalworking, and scientific research. These are the types of caliper that I compare in this session: the vernier caliper, dial caliper, and digital caliper. First, we have the vernier caliper. It is a manual measuring tool that consists of a main scale and sliding vernier scale. The measurement is read by aligning the scales, which requires some practice and precision. And these are the advantages of this caliper, like high accuracy, no need for batteries, durable and long lasting. And the disadvantage requires skill to read measurements, slower compared the other types. And then next we have the dial caliper. This tool features a dial indicator instead of a vernier scale, making it easier to read. As you move the caliper, the needle on the dial rotates to show measurements. Advantage of this caliper is easier to read than a vernier caliper. No need for batteries, faster measurements than the vernier caliper. And then the disadvantage is the dial mechanism is sensitive to dust and shock and less durable than a vernier caliper. And then finally, the digital caliper. This modern tool features an LCD screen that directly displays the measurement, eliminating some reading errors and etc. The advantage of this digital caliper is very easy to read, fast and efficient. It can switch between metric and imperial units. And the disadvantage, this caliper requires batteries, and then of course more expensive than vernier caliper and dial calipers. Here is a side by side comparison of the three types of the earlier calipers like the vernier caliper, dial caliper, and digital caliper. From the accuracy, from the ease of use, and then durability and power source, and then the last, the cost. You can see that in the table. So my conclusion, each type of caliper has its strengths and weakness. The vernier caliper is the most durable but requires skill to read, and the dial caliper is easier to use but can be affected by dust and damage, of course. The digital caliper is the easiest to use but relies on batteries. Choosing the right caliper depends on the needs, budget, and preference is the most important things. And then thank you for your attention. I'm happy to present this. Of course, that's for my presentation. Thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.